You no longer need a Hollywood budget or a massive rig to capture professional-grade aerial content. The modern landscape of budget drones is filled with ultra-portable, high-resolution machines that fit in a jacket pocket and produce crisp 4K footage. Here, we have best budget drones for real estate photography.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have DJI Mini 4K drone. When efficiency meets affordability, you get a tool like this. It is often the first recommendation for anyone entering the space because it focuses on the essentials without overcomplicating the flight experience. This drone delivers stunning 4K video that remains incredibly smooth thanks to its 3-axis mechanical gimbal. In real estate, jerky footage is the enemy of a premium feel, and this gimbal ensures that even as the wind picks up, your shot of the chimney or the wraparound deck stays rock steady. It is lightweight enough to bypass many of the registration hurdles in various regions, making it a grab-and-go solution for quick property shoots. The intuitive controls mean you can focus on framing the perfect shot rather than worrying about complex flight physics. On number 2, we have DJI Mini. 3 drone, stepping up slightly in the lineup, brings us to a machine that truly understands the visual demands of modern social media marketing. The standout feature here is the ability to rotate the camera into a true vertical orientation. For real estate agents who rely heavily on TikTok or Instagram Reels to move properties, this is a game changer. Instead of cropping a horizontal video and losing resolution, you get native 4K vertical footage that captures the full height of a grand entrance or a towering oak tree in the front yard. Beyond its orientation tricks, the sensor performs exceptionally well in the golden hour light that real estate photographers crave, pulling detail out of shadows and maintaining highlights on sun-drenched facades. Its extended battery life also gives you more breathing room to circle a property multiple times to get that one perfect light reflection. On number 3, we have Potensic Atom SE drone. If you are looking for a robust alternative that packs a punch without the premium brand name price tag, this is a formidable contender. It stands out for its impressive speed and electronic stabilization technology, which works hard to keep your 4K images crisp. While it uses a different stabilization philosophy compared to mechanical gimbals, the result is surprisingly professional for the price point. It is particularly useful for covering larger rural lots or acreage where you need to move between different points of interest quickly. The flight software is straightforward, providing a reliable return-to-home feature that gives new pilots peace of mind when flying near power lines or tall trees. It represents a practical, no-nonsense approach to aerial photography, proving that high-quality marketing materials are accessible to anyone willing to take to the skies. So, these are some of the best drones to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.